everyone, thanks for watching. For today's video I thought I would do a quick unboxing of my new bag from Zara, and I got the mini city bag. It's amazing, so I thought I can do a dedicated video about this bag because I think many people will be interested in it, and I think it's so beautiful and so stunning that it totally deserves a video on its own. I didn't want to just include it quickly in my previous Zara haul, so I will unbox the bag together with you. I will show you how it looks like up close, how it's made, if I like it, if I don't like it, and also how it looks on while I'm wearing it. So let's jump right into this video. And here's the box that it comes in. And it's a big one because I have another item that I ordered. It's a pair of boots that you will see in my future videos. I wanted to do a how to style ankle boots video. And I really like Zara's packaging. It's cardboard packaging. It comes in a nice box. Everything is wrapped in paper and you don't get unnecessary plastic. I already opened it because I wanted to see if everything is okay with the bag and if I will be actually filming it. So you open the box like this, and here it is. Here's the bag. It comes in a separate pouch or a dust bag when you can store it, and on the pouch it says that it is 100% recyclable. As I said, I like Zara's packaging and I think it's very eco-friendly. And here it is. Here it is, my gorgeous mini city bag with knots. Oh my god, I knew it would be very pretty, but the moment I saw it in person I was absolutely amazed by it. It's an absolutely stunning bag. You can see up close how beautiful this faux leather is. It's very sturdy, very structured and very well made bag. It's a mini bag and I absolutely love this trend. I think mini bags are super pretty and they look just so chic and stylish, but this mini bag right here is a very useful one because it's quite small, but you still can fit a lot of things in it, and you can easily put your phone, your wallet and your keys, maybe a lipstick or a makeup product in it. Of course you cannot wear your laptop or something bigger, but for your basic needs I just like mini bags and I don't usually care a lot with me, so it's absolutely perfect, the perfect size. It has these knot details in the front and in the back. Actually the two sides are identical. It's the same in the front and in the back. It comes with this aged gold hardware and it's again perfect because I like gold hardware, and this one is not too bright. It looks very stylish and very well made, and it also has these legs on the bottom which are very useful when you're putting your bag on different tables or chairs, so the bottom doesn't get dirty or worn out. As I said, it's just so pretty, so well made. It looks very stylish and very expensive in my opinion. It just looks like a very expensive designer bag, and for those of us who are not into designer bags or wouldn't spend a fortune on a bag, I think this is the perfect way to add a very stylish accessory, because bags, they can totally transform your entire outfit and they can elevate a look so much. And I firmly believe that a bag is a very important and maybe the most important accessory that you can wear. I also really like these two top handles, and top handles are a must in my opinion at the moment. I absolutely love how it looks when you're just wearing your bag in your hand. It looks so good and it's so comfortable also. It has one zipper on the top and it opens like this, so your items will be protected. It also has these things inside to keep the structure of the bag. And you also get the shoulder strap, which is another must for me. It has this long adjustable, also leather long strap, and you just have to attach it right here. You can attach it or detach the strap whenever you want, and it looks like this. And the bag itself has just one big compartment, one big pocket, and you don't have any pockets inside, which is not a huge problem for me. It's quite spacious inside for a mini bag, as I said, so it will be perfect for your everyday bag or for a night bag, because it's still very cute and stylish. And let me show you a comparison with my phone. And here I have my iPhone X. It's the regular, not the bigger version, and you can see the comparison between these two. You can of course put your phone and your belongings without any problem in this bag. It's such a beautiful bag. The stitching is absolutely perfect. As I said, it's a very sturdy, stiff bag. It won't lose its shape. It's very pretty. I'm just so impressed with everything about this bag. It feels very nice. You can see that it's a soft, smooth leather, and yes, it's probably very easy to scratch this leather, and you can be very careful, and you should be very careful with it. But it's not that expensive, so even if something happens with this bag and you use it just this season, I think it's still worth it, because you can see how beautiful this faux leather is. It looks very, very sophisticated in my opinion. It's a bag that you can wear casually with just your everyday casual looks, or a bag, especially if you remove the shoulder strap, that you can use for a evening look just in your hand like this. I absolutely love the smooth leather and the shape of this bag. As I said, I'm just so impressed. I knew it will be really cute because I really liked it on the website, but in person, I'm telling you, it's like 100 times better. I absolutely love it. And if you're getting a bag this season, and if you're looking for a nice black bag that will go with everything, that's my suggestion. I think it's perfect. At least for me, it's the absolute must-have and the most amazing, perfect bag that I can get this season. And I don't like switching up my bags too much because I hate to transfer my belongings from one another. I like to have like a black and a nude bag that I can switch between these two, and I know for sure this will be my go-to bag this season. I wear a lot of black and I have a lot of black coats and boots, so of course this will go with, I think, almost everything in my wardrobe. As I'm looking at this bag, it's just perfect and I cannot say a bad thing for it. I don't have any regrets or any complaints about it. And the only thing maybe is that the leather is so nice and smooth that it will be very easy to scratch it, but that's not a huge problem. I will just add here like a try on part when you can see how it looks compared to my body. You can wear it like crossbody, shoulder, or just like a handleback. So versatile and pretty. And I think not much else is left to say except that I'm super happy with my purchase. This bag is so stunning and I'm so happy that I ordered it, and I think it will be very popular and will be sold out very, very soon. So if you're looking for a bag like this one, and if you like this, maybe don't wait too much, because I think this bag will be super popular and will be sold out very, very soon. And I just cannot wait to put all my things inside to wear this beautiful bag, and I know it can add so much to my outfits. It will look absolutely stunning. So this will be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing video because I'm super happy with my purchase. And this bag is so pretty that it totally deserves the video on its own. Plus it's a item that I'll be wearing more than any clothing item in my wardrobe. Plus bags are quite important because they finish off your entire look. They can totally ruin your entire outfit, or they can beautifully complete and finish off your entire look. So thank you for watching again. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao!